Hello people, welcome. Andrew is here and you are busy, I'm busy. Just let's go straight away to the point, okay? I want to help you a little bit in your dropshipping business. So here is very simple two things why people are struggling on eBay, okay? The number one is either you are not listing at all, okay? That's why you don't have sales, or you are listing everything wrong. Only two reasons why people are not having sales on eBay, okay? Either you are not listing at all or you have very wrong strategy to list. There is no other reasons to not having sales on eBay. Okay guys, so by this, why I'm saying this, because you see, during 5 years, almost 5 years, in the May we're gonna be 5 years, okay, this year, I have developed, based on my experiences, ups and downs, suspensions and top rated and power seller to be, okay? And by working with the hundreds and hundreds of people and with my private clients and making them a 6-figure income earners, I learned something really cool. All what you have to do is to do your process in progressive way. That's it. By this, if you just can keep this one, the process in progressive way, and by the way, this is very easy to do. That's why I put the link below this video there. You can see how to do this from the very scratch. You don't have to be very smart. You can be the very simple, regular, just average man or woman, okay, to do this. Because I put everything step by step in so-called the value ladder. The first step, the link is below there. Guys, this is not free because I don't like free stuff, okay? But this costs only $1. Only $1. If you think the $1 is too much for you, well, I can't give you anything else, guys. But if you dare to risk $1 to get out this kind of like a taste, if it's for you, okay, I think you will not gonna regret. And by the way, if you, because this is only first step, okay? Because there is another step, there is another step, there is another step, but please do not go to the next step if you think that your enrollment was not worth $1. If I'm not providing any value for you for $1, there will not gonna be any value for you for next step, okay? And for the next step, and for the next step, okay? You see, my method of working with the people and helping out people is very simple. I want to provide value them first. I let them experience this. And then they were gonna be willing to pay for the next value, for the next value, for the next value, okay? So let's start with the $1 and let me know. I'm really curious how it goes for you, okay? Thanks for watching. Click the link below. There is this first step for you, enrollment, $1. In the first step called awareness. Thanks for watching and let me know how it goes. Bye bye.